Basque Quantum is an initiative launched by the Basque government together with the 3 province governments of the Basque Country to launch the adoption, development and application of quantum technologies by researchers, students and companies in the Basque Country. And by doing so, turning the Basque Country into a worldwide hub, internationally recognized in these technologies. Right now in Basque Quantum, we have just started our activities regarding research, education, training and innovation. In research, we are already developing joint projects with IBM on algorithm development, optimization problems, integration with artificial intelligence. In education, we are part of European networks, which are already training cohorts of new students, attracting students from all over the world. In innovation, we are putting a tool in front of the companies to solve their problems. And particularly, next year, in 2025, one of the best quantum computers in the world, the IBM quantum computer, will come to the Basque Country and will be put available to all the community of researchers, students and companies. This will make a game change. Quantum technologies cover a wide range of topics and challenges, right? There are actions on quantum computing, on quantum communications, on quantum sensing and metrology. Within quantum computing, the quantum capabilities and the use of qubits to adopt and to calculate and solve problems will enable to face and tackle problems that we cannot cover with classical computation, right? We can adopt and challenge problems of optimization, of problem solving that require a huge amount of calculation, variables handling, and this cannot be right now adopted or handled by classical computer. And quantum computing and the new ways and the disruptive ways of calculating by quantum technologies will enable the tackling of problems that cannot be solved classically right now. Quantum computing can provide a completely new and disruptive technology to face new problems, right? We all are aware of that, and we want to jump on this disruptive possibility that quantum computing offers. If all that quantum computer can solve is finally solvable, we certainly will be in the beginning of a new era. Right now, it might be a little bit early to say that we are in the beginning of a new era, but we certainly have started this new era. We are building the blocks to really open the door of a new era. We have just started somehow opening slightly this door. We are more than in an era of change and disruptive technology. We are in an era of quantum utility, things that we can start doing with quantum technologies which are starting to be useful. A quantum state is not something fixed, a ball you can touch. It's something like a cloud. It's a very small cloud that spreads, and the whole dynamics and motion and behavior is based on the cloud properties. This is a quantum state. We can take advantage of this quantum state, this cloud, and try to do operations and calculations, not like in classical computation, one after another, but just take the whole spread of this cloud and mix this cloud, the quantum state, with another cloud, which is another quantum state, and then make calculations and operations in parallel, kind of. So in simple words, the quantum states allow to do a bunch of operations and calculations more in a parallel multidimensional universe rather than in classical computation, which is more sequential. The Basque Country is small, and when you compete with big players in any technological arena, you need to do things really, really well. I think this is the chance and the opportunity of the Basque Country technological and science system on quantum technologies. Based on the expertise we already had on quantum matter, on photonics, and many topics covering quantum technologies, we can take advantage of this pre-existing expertise and develop to a new level where we become really a center worldwide of this development and adoption of technologies. So the key to me to become a center in the world on quantum technologies is to do things at a very excellent level and better than others. We are small, but we need to think big and do things not only big, but very, very well. I think that one of the best assets we have in the Basque Country to take this challenge of developing and adopting quantum technologies is precisely the level and the know-how of the scientific and technological community in the Basque Country. Through the last years, we have developed a very nice environment and an ecosystem of science and technology, particularly well-trained and expertise in quantum technologies. I think this is a particularly good hub to compete on quantum technologies all over the world. Having the IBM quantum computer in the Basque Country is going to be a game changer in many senses. In science and technology, many research groups are going to be able to do calculations and simulations that they wouldn't be able to do somewhere else. They will be able to tackle and face new challenges in science and technology, and this will put us at the forefront of science and technology, particularly with the adoption of quantum computing. But also in the training aspect, we will attract students from all over the world who want to study, want to calculate, and want to be trained in the use of this very state-of-the-art technology. In innovation, companies will also want to solve their problems by the adoption and use of this quantum computer, and they will want to develop new algorithms that solve new problems. New positions, new engineers, many scientists will want to come here. Hundreds of positions will be created together with the use and the miraculous performance of this quantum computer. The quantum computer of IBM, which will come to the Basque Country, is going to be particularly important for Basque companies. Big companies will be able to develop their own units of research on quantum computer to solve their specific problems. Our computing facilities will allow these teams to train better. But also for smaller and medium-sized companies, this will be also important. Sometimes they cannot build their own teams of research on this specific topic, and in Basque Quantum, we will allow them an environment and a possibility to train themselves and tackle some of the problems they want in their daily life challenges.